Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and taking good care of your health. Student, this is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, situated at Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we going to solve the exercises of chapter 3. In our last video, we have to learn about chapter 3, the story about a girl whose name is Seema. And we have to learn in the story that why did Seema fall? Because she doesn't care about anything. So student, we have learned the story and now today we solve the exercises of chapter 3. So for that you all take out your English reader book and open chapter 3. Why did Seema fall? And the exercises of chapter 3. So here are the exercises of chapter 3. You can see. So here is first question is circle the correct words. Okay student, in exercise 1 we have to circle the correct words. So here is the question. Here is the first sentence. Seema has a big or a small room. So student, you have to choose the correct word and after that circle it. So we all know that Seema has a small room. Okay students, we have to learn the story and we know that Seema has a small room. So we have to circle small. Okay. Now in second the bed cover is red or blue. So student, tell me what's the color of bed cover? So the bed cover color is red or blue, so it is blue. So we have to circle the word blue. Next, number 3. In number 3, there is Seema's room is untidy or clean. So here are two options, untidy or clean. So we all know that Seema's room is untidy. Okay, her room is very dirty. So we have to circle untidy. Okay, now next is number 4. One shoes is on the, here is the two option, bed or chair. So we have to circle chair because her one shoes is on the chair and the other shoes is under the bed. Okay, now next here is last one, number 5. In number 5, Seema has many or few toys. So we all know that Seema has many toys. Okay, so we have to circle the word many. Okay student, after completing the exercise A, come to the next. Next is exercise B. In exercise B, you have to do Seema runs into the room. What happened next? Number the sentences. Student, here is the Seema runs into the room. What happens next? Number the sentences. So we have to give number one by one. So first of all, here is the 3 sentence. First is she hurts her elbow. She starts crying and she trips on her bag and falls. So student, we have to learn the story and we know that first of all, Seema's room is very dirty and Seema runs into the room and first of all, she trips on her bag and falls. So we have to give number 1 to the last sentence. Okay, here is number 1 and after that, second is she hurts her elbow and after that in number 3, she start crying. Okay, like this we have to put number one by one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now in exercise C, there is a question answer. In question answer, there is a answer this question. So first question is, which color are the curtains in Seema's room? So student, we all know that the curtains are blue in Seema's room. So we have to write blue. The answer will be blue. We have to write the full sentence. Okay, we have to write Seema's room, the curtains are in Seema's room blue. Okay, now second question is, where is Seema's school bag? So we read the story and we know that Seema's school bag is on the floor. On the floor. What is the spelling of floor? FLOOR, floor. Okay, student. Now, next question is question number 3. Where are Seema's books? So, the Seema's books are lying on the bed. Lying on the bed. Okay, student. Now, next, number 4. How many toy cars does Seema have? How many toy cars does Seema have? So, we have to write Seema has 4 toy cars. 4 toy cars. Okay. So, now next, in last number, question number 5 is where is the teddy? So, student, we know that the place of teddy. So, the teddy is in the bookshelf. The teddy is in the bookshelf. What is the spelling of bookshelf? BOOK book and SHELF self. BOOK book SHELF self. Book self. Okay, student, the spelling of book self is BOOK book SHELF self. Book self. Now come to the next exercise is write the opposite of these words. Use words from the box. So student, here are some words. You have to write their opposite words which is given in the box. You have to choose the correct one. Okay. So here is the first word is adverb. So adverb. So we have to write the opposite of adverb. So it is below. Okay. Below. BELOO. Below. Now, second is dirty. So we all know the opposite word of dirty is clean. What is the spelling of clean? CLEAN. Clean. Okay. Now next, number third is laugh. 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 So we all know that the opposite of laugh is cry. 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 Now number 4 is over. 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 So we have to write the opposite of over is under. 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 Okay, student. So now come to the next. In next there is a exercise E. After completing the exercise D, come to the next exercise E. So in exercise E there is the word blackboard is made from the two words black and board. So look at the example and make new words. Choose word from the clouds. So student, here we have to make a word by using two words. Okay. So here we can see there is some words in cloud. So we have to choose the correct word and after that make a new word. Okay. So here's the first. Number 1 is book and there is book plus self. It will be bookshelf. Okay. It becomes bookshelf. BOOK book SHELF self. So it becomes bookshelf. BOOK book SHELF self. Bookshelf. So now in number 2 there is a word bed. There is a word bed and there is a we have to choose the correct. So we have to use cover. COVER cover. So it will be bed cover. BED bed. COVER cover. Bed cover. Now next third is number 3 is in number 3 there is a news. There is a word news. So we have to use paper. When we add news plus paper, it becomes newspaper. NEWS news. PAPER paper. News paper. Okay, student. So now in number 4 there is a word shoe. So we have to use lace. Shoe plus lace equal to shoelace. Okay. SHOELACE lace. Shoelace. Okay, student. So now come to the next. After completing exercise E, come to the next exercise F. In exercise F, you can see there is a spelling. We have to fill spelling in the given blanks. So fill in AI or AY to complete these words. Student, we have to use only AI or AY to complete this given words. So let's start the doing this exercise. So in number 1, there is a CH. So we have to use AI. It becomes chair. CHAI or chair. In second, there is a word PL. There is a letter PL. So we have to use AY. So it becomes play. PLAY, play. Okay. In number 3, there is TR blank. This 2 dash and after that N. So we have to write AI. So it becomes train. TRAIN, train. Okay. In number 4, there is a word BRAIN. We have to use AI. So it becomes brain. And now number 5. In number 5, there is TR. So we have to use AY. So it becomes tray. TRAY, tray. Okay. And number 6, there is a PR. So we have to write AY, pray. It becomes pray. Okay. So student, like this we have to complete exercise F. Now come to the next. Next is exercise G. Student, in exercise G, there is some words tell us about action. Some word tell us about action. Such words are called doing words or action words. So student, here we have to write, look at the pictures, fill in the blanks with the action word. Choose from the box. Here are some action word and we have to choose the correct according to the picture and write on the blanks the correct action word. So in number 1, you can see the girl is climb. So we have to write here action word climb. CLIMB, climb. Okay. We have to write climb. In second, you can see the boy is eating. So there is an action word eat. EAT, eat. In number 3, you can see there is an action word jump. JUMP, jump. In number 4, the action word is swim. So we have to write SWIM, swim. In number 5, there is the action word play. PLAY, play. And number 6, there is the action word read. READ, read. So we have to write the correct action word according to the given pictures. Okay. So now come to the next. In number H, there is fill in the blanks with words from the box. So student, here we have to write correct words according to the given sentence. Okay. So here are some examples. You have to choose the correct one and after that you have to use on the blanks. So in number 1, we dash with our ears. So we have here with our ears. So we have to write here HEAR, here. Okay. Now in second, we dash with our hands. So what will we do with the help of our hands? So we have to clap. So we have write CLAP, clap. In number 3, we dash with our nose. So we have to write smell. SMELL, smell. Okay. In number 4, we dash with our legs. So we have to write run. RUN, run. In number 5, we dash with our tongues. So we have to write taste. TASTE, taste. And last one is number 6. We dash with our eyes. So we have to write she. SEE, she. Okay student. So now at last come to the next exercise K. There is a writing work. You have to choose the correct words and after that write on the given blanks. Okay. So here write 5 sentences about Seema. So first of all, in number 1, Seema can tie her. So we have to choose the word shoelaces. Okay. We can see Seema is ties her shoelaces. So we have to write shoelaces. Okay. SHOELACES, shoelaces. Okay. So we have to tick and after that write on the given blanks. Now Number second, there is a Seema can drive or read. So we can see Seema is reading. So we have to write read. Seema can read. Okay. In number third, Seema can write. We can see Seema is writing. So we have to write Seema can write. Okay. In number four, here we have to write Seema can climb on trees. Okay. Climb on trees. Now come to the next, number last 5. Seema can drive or dance. So we can say Seema is dancing. So we have to write dance. Seema can dance. Okay students, I hope you all understood that how to complete these exercises one by one in your book. So student, you have to complete this all the exercises and also learn the question answer and this all the exercises. Okay student, so till then take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.